from the people of NASA. We thank all the media and all the guests of honors to be here. Thank you very much to the organizer.
This program will be the best.
And I really hope that this competition will help all the girls, to achieve their dream.
Thanks for all the support and thanks for coming here to support this event. Your coming and support mean a lot to me.